Hello everybody and welcome to a new do-it-yourself at home nail art. Hi everybody, today I gonna do a Makartt slash a Booboosglitterglory nail art for you guys. It's gonna be in the Zodiac style and I'm gonna use the Makartt polygels, the blue and the violet. Oh my god guys, I love the rainbow Makartt kit so much. I also gonna use the clouds that I have from my sister Booboosglitterglory. Thank you so much honey. And look at those Zodiac signs, oh my god. So these are fimo slices from all the Zodiac signs you can find. You can buy them now on Booboosglitterglory.com and you can buy them in a little jar from 5 ml or in a little baggy with the same amount. So a jar is $3.50, a baggy is $3, just so you know. So get over Booboosglitterglory and shop you some beautiful fimos, okay? So what you are seeing me doing right here is I'm using the Makartt violet and the blue polygel, and we're gonna try to make a marble. That is the first time that I'm trying it with polygel, by the way, so wish me luck. There we go. By the way, I have exciting news. If you have seen my last video, I already mentioned it in that video. But oh my god guys, I am a Makartt ambassador. Whoop whoop, oh my god, you cannot believe how happy I am with that news. So that also brings great news for you guys, because Makartt did give me a little link. I'm gonna put it in my info box, and if you go to that link you can use my personal discount code to get 10% off of your complete order. What? Yes guys, you can save you some coins with this sassy mumsy, okay? So don't wait and go visit that link. Take a look at the shop. They have amazing products. You can buy polygels, you can buy just gel colors, amazing collections. So yeah, definitely go and check it out, okay? So like you can see, I'm using my Emily base coat instead of alcohol to work with my polygel. I have seen it on another channel. Oh geez, I forgot where I have seen it the first time, because yeah, nowadays a lot of people using this way, and let me tell you, wow, just wow. Using a base coat to smooth your polygel out, or to work with your polygel, you're gonna see it in a minute guys. Wow. That's all that I can say. It's so easy to work. You don't need to go over and over again in your alcohol or your slip solution. You put it on there and look, the gel is not sticking at all on my brush. What? Also, like sometimes when you're using alcohol or the slip solution, sometimes I hear from other people that you have white spots or something. Let me tell you, if you use base coat, you don't gonna have it, okay? So I have not cured my polygel. I think it is very beautiful looking with my ombre. So yeah, let's put in my fimo Zodiac signs, shall we? I'm not gonna use them all, so the ones that I'm showing now are the ones that I'm gonna use in the nail, and these ones that I'm now going to show are not making the nail art. I'm so sorry, but I need to choose, okay? I only have the room on my nail to play with that I have, okay? So I also gonna incorporate some glow in the dark stars, also from Booboosglitterglory. I was planning to use these crystals, but at the end I have not used them, so just so you know. So there we go. I just gonna place the Zodiac signs in the wet Makartt polygel. It goes very easy, like you can see. Just place them where you want to, and when all the fimo slices are placed, I'm just going in with my brush to neaten up the sides of the nail again, and that's it guys. That's it. So you're also gonna see I'm gonna use a very beautiful iridescent glitter with the blue sheen to put over this nail. I think I also do it before I cure it. We're gonna see it in a minute. Look at that, that's gorgeous already. So here I am placing the glow in the dark stars. Look at that, guys, how gorgeous is that? Thank you so much just to send these to me. Do you want to know what the neat thing is? And once you are finished with the nail, in daylight you can barely see them. If you don't know there are stars in there, you don't gonna notice them, but at night, oh wow. So here is that gorgeous glitter that I was speaking about. Look at that. Once you put it over the blue and the purple Makartt polygel, it turns with a pink shine. Look at that, guys. I just love it. I really, oh my god. So if you like to, you can leave the nail like it is, but I decided to try and do like a milkbath nail with the zodiac signs. I think I have never seen somebody using zodiac signs in a milkbath till now. So yeah, so what I am doing, I'm mixing up a hard gel milky white and I'm mixing it up with my clear yoyogi because I don't want it too white, if you know what I mean. I still want to see all the zodiac signs. Otherwise, what is the point to using these beautiful fimos if you cannot see them? So yeah, I really like the color that I become. You still can see that it is a white hue on it. It's like a misty look, if you know what I mean. So I think it's very fitting with the theme. Galaxy, a little bit misty, cloudy. You know what I mean? Okay, so for my other two nails, I'm gonna make a nail bed. I am using the Mystic Nails Hard Gel. I believe this one is the natural pink. I really like the Mystic Nail Hard Gel. Oh my god, guys. You know me and my Mystic Gel. Also the clear, if you want to encapsulate something with polygel, oh boy, you need to get you the clear Mystic Nail Polygel, okay? Wow, you can already see it in my older videos, but that stuff is amazing. So yeah, the reason why I'm not using Makartt is because I only have the rainbow polygel set in my collection. So yeah, I need to use some other gels to complete my mani. But look how beautiful it's building up. Wow. So if you want to know my discount code for the Makartt shop, just look at my info box. You're gonna find all their information right there, also with the link to their webshop. You can tell, guys, how easy it is working with this gel as well. Okay, so this is what we have till now. Wow, look at that. I think also with the white tips it looks amazing, this set. But we're gonna do again a marble with the blue and the violet Makartt polygel. I'm gonna try to marble it a little bit different right now. I hope you can see. I'm trying to swirl it more on my mixing cannons than I did the first time, and I think it really is paying off that way. I hope you can see it. I think you will. I really like the marbles on these two nails, big time. You can clearly see the purple, you clearly see the blue. So like you can see, I'm dragging the polygel into my rings, so it's easier for me to cover everything without mixing the colors, because that's something that we don't want to do. Again, I'm gonna use my Emily base coat to work the polygel, and oh my god, look how easy it goes on with the base coat. Oh my god, guys, oh my god. If you have never tried to work with polygel and base coat, please do it. Please do it. You're gonna save yourself a lot of hassle and a lot of time. Look how beautiful this one is coming out. Yeah, it's for sure. This one is the most favorite marble in this set, in my eyes. So So yeah, let me know on Instagram or on my YouTube community which nail is your favorite marble from this set, because like you already know, probably YouTube is gonna close my comments like they always do, but you can still comment, okay? I always place a picture on my Instagram, so if you want to comment for this video, go to my Instagram, leave your comment right there, or you can also go to my YouTube community. I share all my videos over there, and at my YouTube community you have the chance to leave a comment, okay? Just letting you know, guys, and just like I always do. Look at this beautiful fimo clouds. Oh my god, look at that. That's just perfect. So we're also gonna place some glow in the stars, of course, to tie it all together. I don't gonna use the glitters on these two nails, and also I don't gonna use my milky white mix over them, so you can see how it looks with the milk bath and without. So I'm gonna build up the nails now with my Yogi builder gel. Love, 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 love that gel. Look at that. Like you can see, the clouds are a little bit high, so I'm really trying to make sure that the gel is going between all the clouds. I must say, so you're gonna see it also in my end result, but yeah, I'm left with quite some bubbles. I think it is because the clouds were so high. I don't know. I'm still learning to work with hard gel, so I'm very sorry about that. I really hope you still like this set. I really put a lot of time in this set. Oh my god. So yeah, what do you think about it? Do you like my set that I chose to make? The Zodiac theme, the milk bath theme? What do you think about it? So it's time to file. Bam! That was a quick filing. I'm using a Booboosglitterglory her gem gel. Really like this. Oh my god. I just removed my one hand for myself, my green emerald set, and let me tell you guys, it was a hassle to pull off all my crystals. Oh my god, these were stuck so well, and let me tell you, I had that set over 1 month on my own fingers, okay? Yeah, wow. If you really want a sticking glue that sticks for your life, go to Booboosglitterglory. You can buy it for only $1, and the first 50 buyers getting a free nail art brush. What? Yes, you will. Look at that. So I'm placing some beautiful Booboosglitter crystals right here. These are from the month Diamond. I picked them out my little embellishment set. Yeah, I really think it's a nice fit with this nail. Wow. So I'm gonna do it with all the nails. My accent nail though, I'm gonna place the crystals in my cuticle area. So it looks like a wavy line if you hold them next to each other. Wow, I really like this set. Wow. Also the crystals, it really looks like, you know, like the wave from a cloud in a way. I hope you see the same that I see. I really like this set a lot. So yeah guys, my time is almost gone, I see. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave you. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a like. If you dislike the video, give me a dislike, because you already know I don't care. Yes indeed. I really hope you had a good time watching this video. Ooh, let's play some Geminis. Ooh. Shout out to oh my god, what is your name again, sweetheart? Ooh, Love for Furls. You know who you are. But a big shout out for you, honey, because you let me know on my Instagram post that you are a Gemini, and you were so happy that I use it. So shout out to you, honey. Okay, shout out to you. Also to Booboosglitterglory, because she is also a Gemini, and to all the other Geminis, of course. I love you all. So yeah, I'm gonna close that video. Don't remember, I love you all. Please keep safe, and I hope to see you very soon in another video. Oh, look how beautiful. Ooh, yeah, you're gonna see the glow in the dark just in a little bit. Okay, guys? So yeah, see you together with me now. Geef deze biertjes een brul. En stay sassy. Bye-bye.